write the balance equations and you will get the order of the reaction. Is it necessary? Once you write the balance reactions and you will get the order. It is order is determined by experimentally, not by the balance reaction. Please note that.
Okay.
Order is defined by the balance reactions, not balance reactions. It is defined by
Experimental.
the experiment.
Experiment.
What is the rate of reactions? What is the rate of reactions?
It's how fast the reactant is converted into the product.
Yes, how fast means what? Suppose you have initial
Why? Okay.
A.
Initial. Okay.
No, understood. A is converted into B.
Okay.
Any reactions is there.
Okay. And
Then initially A is 0. Now after some times the concentration of A will be how much? Let us say A minus X. Is must be B will be how much will be formed? See, 1 mole of A is forming 1 mole of B. So what is the concentration of B?
B plus X.
B
No.
plus
Sorry.
X will
X,
be
X.
X. Correct na? So please tell me what is the rate of reaction here? dA by dt, dx by dt, dA minus x by dt. I have given the 3 options. Rate of reaction dA by dt or dx by dt or dA minus x by dt.
A minus X.
No, dx by dt. How fast this is forming? This is the forming. X means how far the A is going fast. How A concentration of A is changing. So dx by dt is what? Please tell me.
Is how fast is rate of the reaction.
Rate of the reaction.
How fast the product is forming.
How fast reaction is happening. How fast the concentration of A is changing. Or you can say how fast concentration of A is changing. Correct na? Because initially you have taken A, dA by dt, A will be not there. X is the changing rate. Correct na? X is converting into B. So dx by dt is your rate of reaction. It is the decreasing or increasing. It should be minus or plus.
It's dx by dt. This is increasing, so plus. It's increasing. Concentration of X is increasing.
So what the rate of chemical equilibrium what says? The rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactants. To the
concentration
of the
reactants.
Not product.
Yes, reactants.
What is the concentration of the reactants here? A minus X at some certain time.
I mean, in the beginning it's A, right?
Beginning is the A. But beginning we are not saying, we are taking some at the some time t. At some time t. What is that rate of reactions we are getting? We are finding what is the rate of reaction at time t. what is the rate, at what, how fast my reaction is happening, how fast my product is producing. Why it is so much important, the rate of reactions? Because because the some chemicals you want to produce fast, it involves cost. Suppose one reaction, it will take 1 month. Are you able to take, your company will take your 1 month times to wait for a reaction?
No.
No. And rate of reaction is more, it will be, product will be formed very fast. Product will be more. Correct na? Why you are doing the chemical reaction? Because you are getting some chemicals. What chemicals? It is used for medicines. Correct na? Whole world.
Like.
Huh?
That's why I don't like chemistry.
You don't like chemistry, but anyhow, you have taken the medicals. I also.
Yes, but I don't like chemistry because they produce chemical medications.
Yeah. Good. You. Okay. So please tell me, dx by dt. See, I am teaching you chemistry now. Okay, let me see how.
No, but this is better because my teacher, she doesn't like physical chemistry. She doesn't like so much. She doesn't like, and she's not explaining it so much.
Let me complete. Then you give me the feedback how I am teaching. Okay. See, the proportional is there. What I have to do, I have to remove this proportionality. What I have to put? See, I forgot here power. Here is their first order reaction. Power is not there. So I have to write here kx power 1. Is it clear?
A y power 1?
A minus x power 1. Because I told in the beginning also, rate of the reactions is depends on like this one. Correct na?
Okay,
Since it is a first order reaction, I have written here 1. Agreed or not? Please tell me. I want to remove this constant, proportionality constant. What I have to do? Please tell me.
You need to put k constant.
Constant. Because anything proportional, we have to put the dx by dt is equal to k a minus. Is it clear?
Power 1?
Power 1 means, now power 1 means same thing, no? X power 1 is x only, no? Yeah. Power 1 I have given, just you take care of this one, your attention. Why 1 I have written? It is first order reactions. Now tell me how to do the integration both side. Yeah? You know that integration. Here A is what? Initial concentration. Please understand. A is your initial concentration. Am I right? X is what? Concentration after
X is a
time t.
changing.
So X is here variable. Tell me, X is what?
Yeah, X is variable, yes. So if you do like integration
here
of this,
dx, we have to bring this one below the
so
dx.
integration of this is going to be X.
No, first integration will be not come like this way. I have to change the axis. Correct? Please tell me.
Okay.
Is it clear?
X A minus X. Yes. And then we're gonna do integration?
Yes. Both side I will do the integration.
This is going to be this one ax minus x squared divided on 2.
No.
I forgot now. Log.
Log, yes, power 1 is there, log. Which log? ln log. Please understand, whenever you are doing the integration, see, you are not looking here.
I'm looking here.
See, 1 by x, whenever you are doing the integration, it is base natural log or e. Whenever you are doing the integration, you cannot take base 10. You have always come means your result will always come in the terms of natural log. Is it clear? Means 1 by x is equal to ln x. But here a minus x is there. What you will do for a minus x?
Dx. I mean a minus x. A is a constant.
Yes, a is a constant. You are right.
So ax.
1
No.
by a minus x dx. Can you integrate it? What you do? See, you have to put here method of substitution, means you have to put like this one. A minus x is equal to z. Suppose. Then what happened?
Then 1 divided on z dx, and then it's equal.
Divide on z. It is correct. But
And then
dx
it's
is
an
there.
ln
No.
z.
Dx is there. Dx how you will remove? You have to remove dz because you are putting here z. So you have to differentiate these both sides. You will get the dz. A constant, constant 0 minus x differentiation minus dx is equal to dz, or you can say dz is equal to minus dx, means dx is equal to minus dz. Is it clear? Please tell me. Now you can do 1 by z, dz is there. You can do ln z and minus
So
you put here.
minus ln.
Minus ln z.
So it's going minus ln a minus x.
Yes, minus ln e minus x. I will put here minus ln e minus x. Now what is the limit I will put here? Please tell me.
Where?
Initial what is the value of x here? Initially
A.
Initially
No, zero.
After time t what happened?
X.
X. Here what happened? 0 time. Is it clear? When now I have to put again the limit.
Limit
What is
from
the k dt?
k dt is going to
What
be
k t,
t.
because it is just a dt. Dx integration is x, correct na? And 0 to t. Both side limit I have put it. You know that this math.
Okay, so then we put minus ln a minus x is equal to kt.
ln a minus x minus ln a minus x minus plus 0 you have to not put ln a minus 0.
Is la minus 0 is equal to kt.
Yeah. What we are doing we are going here exercising. We are finding what is the value of
K.
k. K is the constant, Naya.
What is the value of x?
X after time t.
T.
Am I right now? We are not
Yes.
interested t. T we are interested. Okay. So what is the this one? What is the value here? See here log ln
Log
a and minus is there. Please understand here.
why are you doing this? 1 second.
Log
A minus, okay, A minus x, okay.
is equal to how much?
80.
K. Okay na? Now you tell me what I will do.
Ln. We need to find x.
We need to find A or we need to find K, whatever you want to find. K, if you want to find K is equal to how much? If you want to find the T, you can convert. This is the main equation you got. Correct or not?
Okay.
What is the T here?
And from here I can t time.
Means
How long the direction was going.
yeah. Now here it is C, ln is there. It is not 10. But
Yeah,
you
it's
are
E,
more familiar with 10. Correct na? What we will change it? ln. We can change it log. Sorry. ln means we can write na. ln means log e power a by e minus x. Correct? Or we can write, just now I told you log e 10 into log 10 over a by a minus x is equal to kt. Can I write or not? Please tell me.
Yes.
Correct? Now e power 10 is equal to how much? It is equal to 2.303. You can check in your calculator. ln 10 you put it. Because e is there, it means ln 10. Is there in your calculator or not? Let me see. Is there or not? Please tell me.
No, ln
ln 10.
2.3.
2.3. Can I write here 2.3? This is the base 10, it is changed now. Now in this is the main equation for the first order reaction. Correct na? If you ask time, you can use T. If you ask constant, what is the K?
Constant.
Rate constant. Correct na?
Rate
Constant. Is it clear? What is the T?
T is time of the long direction.
At
Keep
what
going.
time T means X is already consumed. What is the balanced reactant? A minus X. Means after time T you will get the reactant. Okay, let us do some questions now, you will understand. Let us do some questions. Shall I do some question?
From chemical kinetics?
Yeah? You don't want to do?
No, I want to do it, but from where to take this questions?
I will take.
In physics, we also had this topic?
No. Since you have asked the logarithm, I have gone to the this one. Otherwise, I need not to go. Is it clear? Because only log.
I have. Let me see in my book from
Yeah.
the chemistry.
You take your question.
Okay, I found one question here. I have these questions here. I will.
Upload it.
Let me look. The initial concentration of A and B increase by factor 4 and 2 respectively when the initial rate is changed by factor. No, let's do this question.
Have you understood the question? What they are asking?
Yes, they're saying that they increase by factor, so this one is multiplying 4, this one is multiplying 2.
No. See, this is the order of the reactions they have given, that half plus means the rate, this particular reaction A and plus B, how they are making a product C, it depends, rate of the reactions is depends on the reactants, means concentration of A power half, concentration of B power 2.
2.
Is it clear? What is this? Sorry, K, not R. K is what?
Constant.
Constant. A is what? A is what here?
A is the concentration of the reactant.
Concentration of the reactants. Correct na? At any point of time. At any point of time. A is not the concentration initial one. Please understand. At any, if initial rate is asking. See, rate is varying. Please understand. Rate is varying with the time. Or it is a constant. First you understand this one.
Rate is rate of the reaction.
Huh?
No, it's constant.
No. Rate of the reaction is depends on what?
Or depends on the concentration.
Concentration is changing now with time.
Changing.
So rate is variable. We are finding at particular time. Is it clear? So please tell me, what is the A? A is the concentration at any point of time. At the same time, concentration of B is B. Is it clear? At the same time. Is it clear? Suppose you are mixed up A gas and B gas and leave it. After 10 o'clock you have just wake up, okay, let me see the rate, what rate they are mixing. So what you will see, what is the concentration of A at that time, what is the concentration of B at particular that time, then you power it, then you will get the rate of reactions. Is it clear? So here they are telling the concentration is initial, let us rate is this one. If the initial concentration of AB are increased by a factor of what?
4 and 2.
4 and 2. So this is the initial rate. Suppose initial concentration case 1 R1 initial, case 2, here also I am putting the case 2, you see I am including the physics. Case 2 R2 is equal to K. What is the concentration of A now? By increase 4A power half.
Okay. And then 2b power 2.
Or you can say 4 power K. 4 you can take out from this one. So power 2 you take out here.
Multiply on 2.
2
1 also on 2.
2 square.
You take out from both of them.
4 2 square na. You will take out the 2 square here.
Yes, I understand. This one I take out, but this one also is gonna be 2.
2 how you will take out? A square is there na yaar. 2 into
4,
4b. You are not telling the correct thing.
Okay, 4.
4 only take out. B square will be remain as it is.
Yes.
So 2 into 4 is equal to 8 into K A power half B power half 2 is equal to R. What is the relations between R1 and R2? See now, this is all. This is equal to how much?
1 divided on 8.
No.
So,
R
8.
Here you KA is equal to this. You can put his initial rate. Am I right?
R1. Yes.
So R2 is 8. What?
8 R1.
8 R2 is equal to 8 times R1. Is it clear? Or not clear? Please tell me.
Yes.
Then the initial rate is changed by a factor of 8. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No.
Can you do the question number 2? It is a similar one. Question number 2, can you do it?
Yes. Reaction initial rate is given at this. By what factor the initial rate of reaction will increase if initial concentration of A is 1.5 times and B is triple? So R1 is equal to K and then 1.5A multiply and B 3B is equal to 1.5 is going to be 2.25 K and multiply on 3B. So this is going to be 1.5 on square is going to be 1.5
1.5 is square. 15 is square here, 2.25.
2.25. So it's going to be 6.75 K. So it's going to be 6.75 LR0. 6.75, this one.
I don't know, but if you put the answer, then I can check it. Or otherwise you are sure, then it is leave it. You can check the answer.
Yeah, 1 second. I can check later the answer.
No, if wrong is there, then I can explain.
Okay. Yes.
Check it.
I need to first find this thing. Box 2, answer 3, 1 second. Yeah, that's correct.
Correct. Very good. See, one question you have did, one question I have did. Now it is my turn. I have to do one question. Question number 1. Okay. It may take 2 minutes more. No problem. You want me to do this question number 1?
Yes.
Good. Can you look it? Can you see here question number 1?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Please tell me. I was thinking some things. Question number 1. Then I got some idea. Let us see whether my idea is working or not. What is this one is given? Can you tell me? Can you understood? First you tell me what you have understood from the question.
I understood that when concentration is this 0.1, 0.1, the rate of reaction is 0.04. When concentration is 0.1, 0.4, then the rate of reaction is this. And then concentration 0.1, 0.4, then concentration is, rate of reaction is this.
So what they are asking?
They're asking order of reaction with respect to A and B. So they're asking this A and B.
Ah, yes. They are asking the value of A and value of B. Means how many order of A is depends and how many powers of B is depend. And they have given the 3 cases. How many cases is given?
3.
Then can you write the equation for the each cases? Please tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Please write the question number first. Case 1. Please write. Tell me. Tell me. I will write.
So rate of reaction is
R1 is given here,
is
yaar.
equal to R1 is
0.04.
0.04 is equal to K,
K.
and then 0.2 power A, and then 0.2.
One slowly, yaar. I am writing very slowly, na.
Sorry?
I am writing slowly, yaar. You just speak very fast. You are speaking very fast. I am writing slowly. Allow me to write it, yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
This is the equation number 1. Can I write? Tell me the next equation.
0.04 is equal to K.
0.04 is equal to
1
K.
power A. 0.4. 0.1 power A. 0.4 power B.
Then equation 2.
Equation 2 and equation 3 is 0.08 equal to K. 0.2 power A. 0.4 power B.
See, there 3 equations are given, yeah.
So minus them or divide them or
very good. Your mathematics is become. I told you your mathematics is become very good now. Slowly it is going to be one time downfall. Means 0. See, whenever the power is there, you cannot minus it here. You have to divide it so that K cancel.
Divide.
Is it clear? Please tell me what you will do.
Divide.
I don't know. I have given the hints. How you will do? Please tell me.
Divide first on second.
Okay. 0.04 divided by 0.04. Please tell me.
1. Yes, 1. One is equal to K cancelled. Okay, now 0.2 divide on 0.1 power A.
0.2 divided by 0.1
power A. Multiply on 0.2 divide on 0.4 power B. Okay, then I can cancel. So it's going to be 1 is equal to 2 power a multiplied on 1 divided on 2 power b.
Yes. 1 divide on 2 power b. Is it clear? Good.
This is first reaction. Then I can.
First reaction.
Or not reaction, sorry. First equation.
Okay, how you will
And
further solve? Yeah, it is not solved. How you will solve this one? Then how?
yeah, I know. And now I need to divide the second and third.
Second and third you want to divide.
Yeah, then 0.4 power b is gonna cancel. So I can find a.
1 second. Second and third you are dividing. Please tell me fast.
It's going to be 1 divided on 2 is
1
equal
divided
to
on 2 is equal to.
0.1 divided on 0.2 power a.
So I will write 1 by 2 power a.
1 by 2 power a. So a is equal to 1.
A is equal on this one. B you will not write. Huh?
B is cancelled.
Okay, so you should say. You should tell na.
B is cancelled.
So A is how much?
A is equal to 1.
Very nice.
So I can find B now.
Yeah.
So this is going to be 1 divided on 2 is equal to 1 divided on 2. So B is also equal to 1.
Okay. B is equal to 1.
B, yes. Because from here.
Yes, you are right. So what will be your answer?
Answer is this one. That's what I thought in the beginning. This one.
Beginning you have told me without doing any calculation. Become God now. Very good.
Just using my intuition.
Huh?
Just using my intuition.
Good. It will not work. It will not work. Okay.
Sometimes it works. Sometimes.
Negative marking is there, you don't worry. you will get negative marking also sometimes. See the answer. All three answer is correct or not? All three are correct. Must be correct.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, box 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's correct.
All three is correct. Is it clear? Good. Would you like to some more questions? You can put it.
Yeah, I have more questions here. I just don't know, like, I don't know which one we can do. Just, I will load you the question. We can just see which one we can do. I don't know, because they are more, they have a little bit different here theory. This is the question. For example, which expression is correct for zero order and first order reaction?
Zero order means what?
Zero order means zero order. One second. Zero order, it means that rate of the reaction is independent from concentration.
Yeah,
it doesn't change.
Independent on the concentration means rate of the concentration is fixed.
Sorry, it's fixed.
Rate of the reactions is fixed.
Yes.
Correct na?
So yes. So it means A is initial concentration. T divided on 1 is the half of the time. T half
is proportional to A. T half is proportional 1 by A. T half is
It's
proportional to A.
proportional. I forgot the formula T half. Should I find the formula T half?
T half means what? 1 second.
I can find. There is some formula there. You want to just make the formula?
No. Where it is we have to. We have just started now. Where we have started? Which page?
Which page? I don't know.
Here only, na?
Yeah, you sure I can find this formula?
No. 1 second. Look here.
Okay. Yes.
dx by dt for the first order reactions is this much. What about the zero order reactions?
What? Can you say again?
I am saying the rate of reactions dx by dt is directly proportional to the concentration for the first order.
Yes. For
what
the
about the zero order?
It's not dependent. It's zero here.
Zero.
Zero.
dx by dt is equal proportional to 1 or dx by dt is equal to constant k.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
If dx by dt is constant, our working is very simple. dx is equal to k dt. Is it clear? Integration. Integration initially 0, it is finally x. Time 0, t half.
T half. Okay. So dx is going to be x.
T half means what? Half of the reaction. T half means half of the concentration. Means A by 2.
A by 2. A by 2 is equal to
A by 2 is equal to
K T divided on 2.
Yeah. So T by 2 is equal to how much? T
by 2 is
by 2 not T half. Half time, correct na?
Sorry, yeah, it's not T by, it's T1 point, it's T half, yes.
So T half
So
is equal
T
to
half is equal to
A by 2K.
divide. Yes, A divided on 2K.
Yeah. So T half is equal to A by 2 1 by K. Is it clear? It means T half 1 by K is means what? T half is proportional to A by 2.
A by 2.
Is it clear or not?
T half is proportional to A by 2. Yes.
Clear? See,
Yes.
Just see what they are asking.
Where is this question? Which page?
I don't know. You just
1 second.
next page then.
No. 26, 20. Oh, here. Here. A0. So this is
See what we got, please write it. T half
It's proportional to A divided by 2.
T half is equal to K, sorry,
1 divided on K and A divided on 2.
see here you have to put your mind. What you have to put your mind? See,
I mean, I think T half is proportional to A because if you put
this
A,
is a K if constant.
this is constant.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
So
this
then-
will be there, this will be there, this will not there. Oh, 3 option is they have given.
But then first order reaction is, so we need to do the same for first order reaction.
So which of the following?
First order is going to be dx dt is equal to, it's going to be harder a little bit.
Why harder? Yeah.
Okay.
T half is equal to formula you are there na. Okay, you are just see. I will do it within a minute. I will do it. Please tell me what is the formula we have written. Just now we have derived.
dx
No.
and
Final
dt.
formula. Final formula what we have derived.
T1 and
KT is equal to how much we have derived.
KT 1.5
Log 2.303 something it is. We have just now we have put na formula 2.303 log.
KT is sorry, KT is 2.303 log 10 A divided on A minus M.
Is it clear na?
Yes.
This is for the first order reaction. Please mind it. This is for the
First order reaction, yes.
okay. Half life means what? Yeah.
T 1.5 A is equal to A divided.
One second. You are going very fast. 2.303 log.
So it's A divided on 2. A divided on 2 minus X.
A divided by
A divided by 2, right? A divided by 2.
A minus x means x is become a by 2, so it is a minus a by 2, it becomes a by 2, or you can say it is a cancel, 2 will be goes up, so kt half t half k is equal to 2.303 log of 2. Is it clear?
And log of 2 is constant.
Log
So
of 2
T
everything,
1.5
t half is
is
constant.
1 divided on K. Proportional to 1 divided on K.
1 divide on k.
So it's A power 0 then.
A power 0. Very nice. You are putting your mind. Sometimes you are putting, sometimes not putting. Good.
True.
Good. Just check the answer if you are.
Can you tell? I need to first check which question is. Box 3, question 1. 1 second.
Good, yeah. Now I am profile. I will put my chemistry also.
Yes, you should.